Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little spring clean with me. I'm going to be tidying up my room and cleaning the kitchen in today's video, and then I'm also going to be doing a grocery haul and folding some laundry. So without further ado, let's get into this cleaning video. I'm just going to put on some music and let it play and just kind of not talk and get some cleaning done.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
Okay, so here's a quick little grocery haul for the week. There is no meat and no vegetables because I do still have plenty of that to last us for the week. So this is just like a small little haul to get us by for this week. But like I said, we have all kinds of meat in the freezer and lots of onions and peppers and stuff in the crisper still in our fridge. So I really didn't have to get a whole lot of that kind of stuff. I was just kind of buying some of the staples like milk, bread, eggs, and a few other things that we needed. So I will start on this side. We did need some more Restorelax for our youngest because he has a hard time. He has a redundant colon, so he has a hard time going to the bathroom. So we have that. And then my oldest loves these Eggo waffles. He has them pretty much every morning for breakfast, so he likes those ones. And I don't typically buy these, but I used to love them. I ate them a lot growing up and stuff, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna grab myself a box of the cinnamon toast ones because I loved those growing up. So got those. I got 2 bags of this Cracker Barrel white cheddar oven baked macaroni and cheese. I haven't been able to get this here in like a year, and it's like my favorite stuff. So when I saw it on an end cap at Walmart, I honestly just had to have it. So I ended up buying 2 of them because it's like my favorite. And then I got several of these freeze-dried yogurt bites. I got 2 strawberry, 2 mixed berry, and 1 banana. And then I did get some vanilla yogurt, a thing of bananas, 2 loaves of white bread. I got some apples. I typically buy the Royal Gala ones, but these were the only ones I could really find other than the Red Delicious, and I don't like Red Delicious, so we got these ones. And then I got some pepperonis because I have, just one second. Okay, sorry about that. If you've been around here for a while, you already know that my dog loves to bark to go outside. As soon as I start filming, it's kind of his thing. But anyways, so what I was saying is I got pepperoni because I have some wraps that I want to get rid of or use up. So I'm going to make some like wrap pizzas. I think that will be really good. My son really likes wrap pizzas, so got those. I got 2 boxes of these cereal bars for my youngest. He loves cereal bars. They're just the strawberry flavored. That's the only kind they had when I was there, so I got those. I got some blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Raspberries were on sale for $2.97, so I probably should have got 2, but oh well, I only ended up grabbing the 1. And then I got a dozen eggs. I got some granola. I don't typically buy this granola. I usually buy the Quaker kind, but they didn't have it, so I just got this one, which ended up being, because the other like flavored Quaker ones they still had, and they were like almost $7 for like a size like this. So, and this was like 3 something, so it was, I hope I like it, because if I do, I'm just gonna buy this one because it's like $3 cheaper. And then I got a gallon of 2% milk, and then I got 6 of these. I'm just not taking them all out of the bag because I do gotta carry them to the pantry here in a second, but I did get 6 apple juice. We go through a lot of apple juice in this house with my toddler. He doesn't get pure apple juice. He gets like watered down, severely watered down apple juice, but that's what he likes, and so that's what we do. And then also my oldest son likes apple juice as well. And then I did get a 24 pack of Pepsi, or Diet Pepsi, not Pepsi, Pepsi Zero, that kind. And that's kind of the haul for this week. We, like I said, we didn't need any meat or vegetables because we do still have lots of that. So Now I'm just gonna get this all put away and yeah.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other